Hi everyone, this is Luke. Basic data interactions include these increasingly common activities, and they can present significant technical barriers. Busy professionals may have no time or desire to learn a typical programming language. Daily tasks done with spreadsheet technology may be cumbersome or tedious. Even experts might like a quicker method for completing simple tasks. Our goal is a new and simple paradigm that allows quick access to data and powerful data processing without the usual difficulties. Excelerate uses simple English phrases describing data interaction to produce the result they describe. The main Excelerate screen is shown here, with the left side for entering the computation phrases, which we call actions, and the right side to display the result in a grid highly compatible with Excel. Of course, you will wonder how these phrases are accessed and supplied with data, and we will show you in the 2 videos that follow how extremely simple this is to do. But we want to give you a taste of the power and ease with which these self-documenting phrases allow you to do almost anything imaginable to tables of data. So for now, just suppose that the actions displayed and the data involved in them are available to you. This action opens a Windows dialog and lets us fetch a saved Excelerate table. We could also import an Excel, text, or CSV document. Excelerate then rewrites the chosen path so it can be run again or copy and paste it elsewhere. The result can be named as you wish, but if no name is chosen, the system will create a temporary one for you, as happens here. Excelerate actions, according to their purpose, are designed to process tables regardless of the nature of the data within. If an action manipulates text entries, it will treat all entries as text, formatting data as needed. If designed to process numbers, it will work on all numbers, formatted or not, ignoring other data. Unlike most programs, Excelerate does not require you to specify or care about the nature of the data in the tables. This next action demonstrates this. This action breaks cells at every space, in particular, breaking names into first and last names. If we had specified a period instead of a space, the numbers would be broken into integers and fractional parts. Action 3 finds and displays all cells whose contents begin with capital S. In this search, the usual wildcards can be included. The next line searches for numbers between 30 and 40,000, and would not care if the numbers were formatted. To extract all numerical data from any table, simply apply the word value. In this way, all numbers, formatted or not, can be immediately extracted. With this action, we apply a function to the previous table, and that function is automatically applied to every cell containing a number. In this case, it is the log function, but it could be exponential, trigonometric, hyperbolic, and other functions. The tedium of doing things one cell at a time is completely avoided for all actions. Now we select certain columns from T6. Note that they can be chosen in any order and repeats can also be made. If the data has row or column labels, the choices can be made using the labels. If you enter an improper column designation, it will simply be ignored. It is just as easy to select rows, individual cells, or one or more blocks of data. To further illustrate, let's show blocks of data at 2 sets of references representing the upper left and lower right rectangle locations. We could use take to extract this data, but using show allows us to display data in its natural location. Such data could be hidden instead. We now average all the previous data and note that the nulls had no effect. Many other overall summaries can be used. Finally, let's describe the column data of result T8. We can analyze any table overall, or by rows, or by columns. By entering actions sequentially, virtually any desired data process can be accomplished and automatically documented. Each line can be selected and the results reviewed, changed as needed, and rerun. This makes it trivial to handle any errors that might have been made. We have barely scratched the surface of Excelerate's capabilities. As you explore, you will see that every facet of data analysis is made both simpler and more powerful, and multiple tasks normally required of the user are handled automatically. In the 2 short videos that follow this one, named More About Actions and More About Data Access, we will show you very quickly the extreme ease with which you can produce actions and populate them with data. Other videos will explore the Excelerate universe, but let us leave you with a short list of Excelerate's benefits and capabilities. Please do yourself a favor by exploring Excelerate further.